guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Ender portal to the Ender Dragon, to where of course if you beat it and you do something special, it will you will beat the game. So that line to the camera is just the charger. Sorry about that. We're charging it.
Here, I gotta do something.
You'll need to go
to
to
get it. There.
You have to go to the lava bucket thing, get the end portal frame, which is on the 1, 2, 3, 4. Count down 4 from the top, counting the chest. There it is. Then go get the Eye of Ender. So, don't you know how other YouTube videos, when they're telling you how to make this, they do it like, they don't even tell you. See those 2 blue marks? That and that? You can't just have those like that and that, or it won't work. You have to have them all up and down. And skip the corners.
And you guys, I'm so sorry that those white things are showing up. Like those lines are like going through. It's just because of the screen and stuff.
So, ready? It works, I told you. This is on PS3 Minecraft Pocket Edition. Okay, so here we are. There is the dragon.
It looks like cereal in the middle.
I'm going to fight him until he dies. So yeah, first you have to break all these because these help him gain his health back. And if you're gonna beat him, you don't really want him to gain his health back.
So you're like taking a really short video and then I can play again?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a video. Okay, perfect timing. Put it back to the screen. That doesn't look good. Whenever you have it like that. Get over here. Some people say like the end isn't real, but it really is because I'm right there right now.
And you guys, show him how you can die on, is it creative?
Yes.
Yeah. Show them how you can die on creative.
Everybody knows, but I'll show them. No, get over here.
You said you would do
Son,
it.
get over here.
If you don't do it, I'm going to turn this off.
Do what?
Show them.
I am. First I have to kill this thing. Okay, so there's a disco ball. His egg will pop up in any second now. Wait, he has to drop all of his stuff. Donna.
You never watch how it happens. Okay, now show them how you die on creative.
Okay. It's like the most simple.
You guys, he's on creative now. He's just going to drop from that. See, he's dead now.
Yeah. It's not dead. It's not dead.
You're in my thing that I made.
Yeah, so this is the town. Bye.
Stop the video.